Hi, and welcome to the Bristol Hospital instructional video on home sleep studies. Tonight you're going to be performing your home sleep study in the comfort of your home, and our staff is going to be demonstrating how you're going to set up and start your process. Don't worry, if you forget or miss anything, you're going to be given some instructions to go home with you, so nothing will be missed. Have a great night's sleep.
When you place the device, you can stand in front of a mirror, or if you have a helper, they can watch this video as well. If you have long hair, we do ask that you wear it in a ponytail or braid. The band will go underneath the ponytail or braid. Before you go to bed tonight, make sure you wash and dry your face completely. No lotions or moisturizers on your forehead. Use the alcohol prep pad provided to remove any excess oils on your forehead. Once your forehead is dry, take the band and pull it over top of the device. Remove each sticker off of the electrodes. Place the device in the middle of your forehead above your eyebrows. Once on your forehead, press down to get some good contact. Take the band and pull it back under your ponytail or braid to about the notch in the back of your skull. To adjust the band, take the Velcro on either side. You want to snug it up to where it won't move around, but not uncomfortable. The nasal cannula will then go over the top of each ear and one prong in each nostril. To tighten the nasal cannula, pull the slide on the back down towards the floor and up towards the ceiling to loosen it. You want that snug enough to where it won't move around, but not uncomfortable. Once the device is placed on your head, push down on the blue button in the front until it says welcome.
Welcome to the Aries Sleep Study. Please place the Aries unicorder comfortably on your head as described in the manual.
It will initialize, and after about 30 seconds it will tell you can go to sleep. If you get up in the middle of the night to go to the bathroom, drink of water for example, leave the device on, do not turn it off, do not touch it, do what you need to do, and then go back to bed. If the device becomes loose in the middle of the night, or the nasal cannula falls out of your nose, for example, the device will speak to you and tell you to adjust whatever the issue is. Once you wake up tomorrow morning, just take the device off, put it back in the bag and in the box, return it by 9 a.m. the following day. You don't need to turn it off, it will turn off by itself. When you wake up tomorrow morning, we do ask that you fill out the post-sleep questionnaire. Helps the provider when reading the study to know how your evening was and if you had any issues with the device. So just put that back in the box as well. We also have a user guide that you can reference when you begin your sleep study, when you wake up in the morning, how to put the device on, how to tighten it, the nasal cannula and how to tighten the nasal cannula, alerts you could hear at startup, alerts you could hear during the night. Any questions about the device, call this number on the bottom of the pamphlet between the hours of 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. If there are any emergencies, please call 911.
Thank you for watching our instructional video. We hope you learned a lot. If you have any further questions regarding your home sleep study, setup process, or what the process would be following, please ask our front desk.